Let's get to our first caller. We've got James on the line. Hey there, James. What's your question tonight?
Hey, James.
Yes. Hey, how are y'all? I was rear-ended in April on Airport Boulevard, and there were no injuries, but the person who rear-ended me left the scene. They had a policy in force. I've been in contact with the insurance company, and I've been told by the adjuster that my claim will probably be denied because they can't get in touch with their policy holder. And I'm asking to see, I haven't been denied yet, but they said I probably will be. So I'd like to know if I have any recourse. There were no injuries.
And James, you don't have insurance yourself, or you have liability only?
I have full coverage on my vehicle.
Okay. Well, look, James, this is what I would tell you at this point. You need to, if you can't, if the other side is, if they're dragging their feet, you need to go ahead and just make a claim on your insurance company. And you may say, well, I don't want to do that. You know, my insurance didn't do anything wrong, and I'm going to have to pay a $500 deductible, or, you know, typically that's what it is. But if, you know, I don't know how much the damage to your vehicle is, whether it's just, you know, can be repaired for a few $1,000s or if it's totaled. But if you have full coverage, your insurance company absolutely, they have to repair that vehicle or pay you for the value of your vehicle, and typically have to provide you with a rental car. And then at some point, your insurance company, believe me, they're going to go after this other person. And they're not going to let that other insurance company just drag their feet and, you know, say, well, we can't get in touch with them and this and that and the other. Eventually, someone's going to get in touch with them. But it sounds like some substandard insurance company. I'm not going to name names, but I could probably guess 3 or 4 names of the company you're dealing with. And this is kind of a common practice that they use. Well, we can't get in touch with them, or we have a coverage issue, or this or that. And they just drag their feet and they try to get you just to go away. But because a lot of people in your situation don't have full coverage, but if you have full coverage, just put it on your own insurance, let them take care of it, and then they will go after that person and they will try to get your deductible back for you.
Yeah, I was going to ask about that, because that really stinks. I mean, if he's got to pay the deductible, is there any recourse there to try to get that back? Yeah,
they'll go after that person. They'll go after that person's insurance company, and not only get they'll get reimbursed for whatever they paid on that vehicle, but they'll also get the deductible back.